transparency in Royal Virtual Assets is the currency of trust. Yet many platforms bury details, exposing you to risks like hidden fees and untracked funds. At Royal Virtual Assets, we design our blockchain as a glass block secure, fully visible and accountable. When opacity leads to uncertainty and financial missteps, Royal Virtual Assets Open Ledger shields you from unforeseen dangers while building unwavering trust. RVA. Make your future fast and secure.